And there are so many things about the ocean that we don't understand. How it interacts with the atmosphere to exchange heat, how it does carbon capture. The more we know about the ocean, the more we can understand the actual chemical processes.
Earlier this year, he discovered the deepest shipwreck in the world, the USS Johnston.
It's the deepest place on Earth, 7 miles beneath the surface of the Pacific Ocean.
The lowest part of the ocean in the Pacific's Mariana Trench last month at bottom, at the vast and mysterious Mariana Trench, Earth holds secrets darker and more elusive than the human mind can fathom. Fishermen casting their nets near this colossal abyss, a place where sunlight has never touched, recently made a shocking discovery. So astonishing, it could only be described as otherworldly. Alongside ghostly sea creatures and strange bioluminescent forms, they encountered something far more terrifying that the world has never seen. What they pulled from these pitch-black waters defies all understanding, challenging the boundaries of what we thought possible in Earth's oceans. Brace yourself as we journey into the unknown and reveal what truly lies beneath. Into the abyss, secrets of the Mariana Trench and the life that defies all odds. Beneath the waves of the Pacific Ocean lies one of Earth's most enigmatic wonders, the Mariana Trench. This vast crescent-shaped scar stretches over 2,550 kilometers, slicing through the ocean floor and reaching depths that defy human imagination. At its lowest point, the Challenger Deep, this dark chasm plunges to a staggering 11,033 m, a world entirely detached from the sunlight above. This trench is a realm of extremes, where unimaginable pressures and frigid waters create a forbidding environment that few believed could ever harbor life. Turns out, they were all wrong. For centuries, scientists and explorers viewed this dark domain as a dead void, a place where life simply could not exist. But curiosity got the better of them. In 1875, the HMS Challenger dared to probe these depths. Lowering a weighted line into the Mariana Trench, the crew discovered that they needed much more rope than anticipated. This discovery ignited a fascination that would drive explorers for decades. In 1960, 85 years after the Challenger Deep was discovered, Jacques Piccard and Navy Lieutenant Don Walsh became the first humans to brave the crushing depths. Descending in the cramped bathyscaphe Trieste, after a harrowing 5-hour journey, they reached the bottom, only to find a viewing window cracking under the pressure. Limited to just 20 minutes on the seafloor, they nonetheless observed pale shrimp and ghostly flounder-like fish drifting through a thick, dark ooze, a discovery that shocked the scientific community and forced it to rethink the limits of life. Years later, in 2012, filmmaker and explorer James Cameron descended in the deep-sea Challenger, further unraveling the mysteries of the trench. There, he observed sprawling mats of bacteria, microbial colonies that feed on the chemicals from volcanic rocks in the absence of sunlight. These tiny organisms perform chemosynthesis, converting minerals into energy in the same way plants use sunlight above. In this way, life thrives in the unlikeliest of places, sparking a web of existence that hints at even deeper secrets. With each daring descent, the trench reveals new surprises, challenging our understanding of life itself. In the uncharted depths, strange, otherworldly creatures lurk, waiting to be discovered by the brave few who dare to plunge into the unknown. Now, the fishermen who recently explored these depths encountered unimaginable discoveries, so extraordinary, they are destined to rewrite the very story of our oceans. What they saw down there will shock and astound the world, proof that the mysteries of the Mariana Trench are only just beginning to unfold. The cusk eel, a fierce competitor in the depths. Found at a depth of 8,370 m, the cusk eel is a formidable contender in the race for the deepest dwelling fish title. These mysterious eels may seem similar to other eel species, but they are actually related to fish like tuna and seahorses. Having existed since the late Cretaceous period millions of years ago, the cusk eel is perfectly adapted to life in the extreme conditions of the deep sea. Found in both temperate and tropical oceans, these eels tend to stay close to the seabed, where they thrive in the complete darkness of the deep. One species of cusk eel, with a name as difficult to pronounce as it is impressive, was discovered at a staggering depth of 8,370 m in the Puerto Rico Trench. This discovery not only pushed the boundaries of what was thought possible but also broke the snailfisher's record by 34 m, solidifying the cusk eel's place in the depths of the ocean's most mysterious realm. The snailfish, the impossible fish that defies the depths. Often referred to as the impossible fish, this name isn't about its ability to be a plant-based seafood substitute, but rather its astonishing survival in some of the most extreme depths of the ocean. For a long time, scientists believed no fish could live deeper than 8,200 m. They thought the pressure and conditions at such depths were simply too much for any creature to handle. That is, until a groundbreaking discovery was made. A team of Japanese and Australian scientists found a snailfish living at a depth of 8,336 m in a remote trench. This discovery shattered the previous depth record held by another snailfish from the Mariana Trench. Living in complete darkness, far from any light or life forms, this fish has evolved with strange, unique features that allow it to survive when nothing else can. But the snailfish isn't the only contender in the race to claim the deepest dwelling fish title. There are other extraordinary creatures in the depths still waiting to be uncovered. Giant amoebas, the colossal life forms of the deep. In 2011, a remarkable discovery took place during an expedition to the Mariana Trench. Scientists unearthed massive single-celled organisms known as xenophyrophores, or simply, giant amoebas. These creatures were striking not only for their sheer size, some reaching over 4 inches across, but also for holding the title of the largest known single cells on Earth. Found in the Sirena Deep, a section of the trench that lies an astonishing 6.6 miles below the surface, these giant amoebas far surpass the previous depth record of 4.7 miles. The deep ocean still holds many secrets, and who knows what other extraordinary life forms are waiting to be discovered in these unexplored depths. The mysterious Dumbo octopus and marine hatchetfish. In the heart of the ocean, where creatures like the Dumbo octopus and the marine hatchetfish reside, these remarkable beings thrive in the abyss, far from the reaches of sunlight. The Dumbo octopus, named for its large ear-like fins, glides gracefully through the dark waters, a serene yet mysterious presence in the depths. But it's not the only extraordinary creature lurking in these waters. The marine hatchetfish, with its distinctive sharp-edged shape, is another enigma of the deep. There are around 45 species of these fish, varying in size from 6 inches to a mere fraction of that. What truly sets them apart is their ability to produce their own light, an incredible skill known as bioluminescence. This isn't just for show, it's a crucial survival tactic. By emitting light, the hatchetfish can blend seamlessly into the dim surroundings, avoiding predators by disguising themselves as mere shadows in the water. This brilliant adaptation is widely studied by deep-sea experts. Interestingly, there's a freshwater relative of the hatchetfish often found in home aquariums, but they lack the same mysterious allure of their deep-sea cousins. The hatchetfish's eerie glow and survival strategy add to the sense of wonder and danger that comes with exploring the deep. The frilled shark, a living fossil from the deep. Even deeper in the ocean lies the frilled shark, a rare and ancient creature that seems to have stepped right out of prehistory. Often referred to as a living fossil, this shark's eerie appearance catches many off guard, especially with its frilly gills that resemble a delicate collar, though its bite is far from delicate. Frilled sharks are seldom seen, making any sighting an extraordinary event that captures the curiosity of scientists and the public alike. One such rare encounter occurred in January 2015 when a frilled shark was unexpectedly caught by a fishing trawler near Lake's entrance in Victoria, Australia.